Assalamu alaikum grade 4. Now we are going to start 4th chapter of computer MS Windows 7. After reading this chapter, students will be able to discuss different points related to this chapter. First one is identify the screen of MS Windows 7. Identify the components of desktop. Create a new folder. Cut, copy and paste a folder. Change the desktop background. Change the screensaver. Resize or move a window. Exit window. Our first topic is Windows 7. Students, when we open a computer and several changes appear on the computer or desktop screen, these changes are due to the operating system, and operating system is a way of connectivity between user and hardware of the computer system. Operating system control the overall activities of a hardware, and Microsoft Windows 7 is also an operating system. It was developed by Microsoft. Desktop, and when we run a computer or start a computer, this page display on the computer screen and show the version of the window like Windows 7, Windows XP, Windows 7 Ultimate, etc. When we enter password, the next screen is appear on the computer screen is called desktop. Desktop contains different pictures known as icons, start button, system tray, taskbar, and this screen is known as desktop screen or desktop. This is the version which appears when we open a computer or laptop. When we click this button, a desktop screen appears on the computer. It contains different applications like computer, recycle bin, and other related apps. First we discuss about computer icon. When we open computer icon, this page appears on your monitor or laptop screen and contains different hard disk like local disk C, D, E, etc. and a removable storage device known as floppy disk drive A. When we click computer icon, this screen appear on the computer screen. And contains different hard disk drives like disk C, disk D, and disk E. This also contains a removable storage device like DVD. And when we insert a USB in our computer system or laptop, and the device name is display in this place. Next topic is recycle bin. Recycle bin is also known as dustbin. When we delete a file, folder, picture from the computer and it's stored in the recycle bin, we can restore the data from the recycle bin Next topic is document. Documents icon contains files and folders, and a folder is a collection of different files related to text, sounds, music, images, etc. This is the image of recycle bin. When we delete a file or folder from the computer, it's stored in the recycle bin. We can restore our data by using recycle bin and can use this data again. This is the document application, and it contains different files. Folders and pictures, etc. Next topic is how to create a folder. To create a new folder, right click on the desktop by using mouse. When we right click, this menu will appear on the computer screen. Click new. When we click new, this menu will appear on your screen. Click the folder. This type of picture will appear on your computer screen, and type the name of the folder which you want. To create a new folder, right click by using mouse. Click new. Click folder, and you can change the name by typing new name. Create a new folder using Windows Explorer. Click the Start button and right click on it. Windows Explorer. When Windows Explorer open, this page will appear on your computer screen. Click on desktop in the left pane. When we click desktop, this bar will appear. Click the new folder. When we click the new folder, this folder will appear on your computer screen. It is another way to create a new folder. Click the Start and click right from the mouse. Open Windows Explorer. Click this sign. This page will appear. Click Favorite, Desktop, New folder. When we click this button, this folder will appear on the computer screen. It's another way of creating a new folder. Now we are going to learn how can we rename a folder. Rename means change the name of existing file or folder. To rename a folder, select the folder. After select this folder, right click by the mouse. This menu appear. Click rename option and type the new name that you want. How can we rename a folder? Click the folder Click rename option. Cancel the name. Type the new name which you want. You can see that the folder name is changed. Another way to rename a folder using organize option. Select the file or folder which you want to rename. Click organize option from the bar. Click rename. Type new name which you want. After typing new name, click the enter key. First step is select folder. Next step is click organize. And the last step is rename. First step is select the folder which you want to rename. After this, click organize from the bar. A menu appear. Click rename. Type new name which you want. Press enter key. This dialog box will appear on your computer screen. Are you sure you want to rename the folder? Yes. You can see that the folder name is changed. Our next topic is how to delete a file or folder. For the given step, first step is select the file or folder which you want to delete. After this, right click by the mouse. A list of options appears. Click the delete from the menu. A dialog box appears. Press enter if you want to delete the folder, or press the no if you want to cancel the selecting folder. Select the folder which you want to delete. Right click by the mouse. A menu appear. Click the delete option. This dialog box will appear on your computer screen. If you want to delete the file, click yes. The file is get deleted. Our next topic is how to copy and paste a file or a folder. For the given step, select the file or folder which you want to copy and right click by the mouse. A list of options appears. Click the copy and select the location where you want to paste. After this, select the location and right click by the mouse. Menu appears. Click paste option. The selected file is copied to a new location. Students, select the file which you want to copy. Right click by the mouse and click the copy option. The selected text gets copied and paste where you want to. We want to paste this picture in this folder. Right click by the mouse. Click the paste option. You can see that the selected text get copied and paste in a new location.